I want to walk through this example right here. So we're going to work through it together and we're going to find what the net worth of this particular farm is. And this farm has $300 cash on hand, $25,000 mortgage, a tractor worth $5,000, livestock worth $5,000, feed and hay bill of $500, and land that's worth $50,000. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you we're not going to break it down into current and non-current assets and not current and non-current liabilities. I just want you to tell me what the assets are and what the liabilities are. So take a second, ponder on it, and then I'll talk you through it. Okay, so $300 cash on hand, that's cash that we already have in our pocket. That's something that's cash in our pocket, so that's an asset. $25,000 mortgage, a mortgage is a loan, so a loan is a debt, that's a liability. A tractor that is worth $5,000. So you physically have the tractor that is in your possession and it's worth $5,000. That's money in your pocket. That is an asset. Same thing with livestock. Livestock worth $5,000. You physically have the livestock and it is worth $5,000. It is an asset. A feed and hay bill of $500. That's a bill. That's a liability. It's a debt. And then land that's worth $50,000. So you physically have the land. Now you have the mortgage on the land. That mortgage is the liability, but the land itself is an asset. So this is how it breaks down. There's your assets and there's your liabilities. Okay. Keywords to look for if you get anything like this on a test or something like that. If it says cash or if it says the word worth, it's an asset. If it says a bill or a loan or a mortgage, that is a liability. Okay, those are the keywords to look for here. So to find your total assets, you would add all these together, and to find your total liabilities, you would add those two together, which for total assets gives you a total of $60,300, and for total liabilities gives you a total of $25,500. And then in order to find the net worth, remember we're going to take our total assets minus our total liabilities. Okay? That's going to give us $60,300 minus $25,500. Your net worth ends up being $34,800. That's good. That means we're operating in the black. We're making money. We're good to go. So that net worth looks good. All right, so remember, if you have any questions throughout any of this, please, please, please let me know, because this gets a little confusing. It gets a little tedious, especially when you're trying to break it down and figure out what's an asset versus what's a liability. So just think about it. If it puts money in your pocket or if it has a value to it, it's an asset. If it's going to take money out of your pocket, like if it's a loan, if it's a bill, if it's a mortgage, it's going to take money out of your pocket, it's a liability. It's the easiest way I can break it down for you. Let me know if you have any questions, because this stuff gets a little bit funky, a little bit tricky. Otherwise, we'll keep going with animal identification records in the next video.